It's a lot of car talk today.
That's all right, man. I'm into cars.
This is a cool one.
Unveils G9. That's a good name. SUV with X-Pilot 4.0 ADAS. Is that what they call their autonomous? Yeah. And ability to charge 200 kilometers in 5 minutes. Let's go. An SUV as well, which obviously there's not many options here.
It does look really cool.
Yeah, it's a more traditional SUV shape when compared to something like the Model X. Mm-hmm. Obviously, you have 4 doors here, and none of which go up, all of which open normally. According to a press release, XPeng shared that his 4th production model will be the G9, arrive as the first design from the outset for both domestic Chinese and international markets. We might see this on our soil. Is that what you're telling me?
Yeah. I mean, Elon really gave them props for it. Just like the company in general.
He's given props
and
lately.
And NIO as well. Like these Chinese manufacturers.
He's given props lately. The automaker said that with this platform, the G9 will be able to receive firmware over-the-air updates in as quickly as 30 minutes utilizing gigabit Ethernet communications. Be able to, oh yeah, here we go. 800 volt high voltage mass production. Okay, 800 volt system. That's like the Taycan. As a result, XPeng claims the G9 will be able to charge up to 200 kilometers of range in 5 minutes. Maximum energy efficiency of over 95%. Wow. Yeah, man. It's all happening right now. I like options. It's kind of crazy, isn't it? That there's less SUV options, fully electric, because of how popular the SUV segment is. Mm-hmm. I guess you have the Model X. I know more brands are putting theirs out now.
Mach-E, I guess.
Yeah, no. There are. Even the traditional brands they're rolling out finally their versions of it. But the electric dedicated companies, I guess Rivian's will hit. Their SUV looks amazing, like the truck. I'm still waiting for those dudes over there, Bollinger, to send those ones over.
They're going through like a tour right now.
I'll take one of each of those. I'll take one each. Tell them I'll pay for it.
All right.
Tell them, I'll put it right over there. Those things look so cool to me. Those.
Yeah.